I have this sample project here, and in this project I have installed face recognition. Also I have this sample Python code which is printing the version of face recognition module. Now if I run this code, so I will write python space main.py. So here I am getting this error, please install face recognition models with this command before using face recognition. So now we will see how can we resolve this error. So one of the obvious and probable reason could be that we do not have this face recognition models installed in the current activated environment. So to check this, we will list down all the libraries in the current activated environment, and for that we will type pip space list. So here we can see that we have this face recognition and the face recognition models. Both the libraries are present. So this is not the case for me, but in case this is not present for you, then you need to run this above command so that this face recognition models can be installed. Now the another reason can be the setup tools library, because the setup tools is required for proper functioning of face recognition. So if we observe this list of libraries which are currently installed, we will see that the setup tools is not present here. So let's install that, and to install setup tools we will write pip3 space install space setup tools. And once this is installed, we will see this message of successful installation. So do hit the like button if this solution worked for you. Now let's run our code again. So we will type python space main.py. Great, the code is executed successfully this time and we did not get that error. So now let me know in comments if this video was useful to you, and make sure to hit the like button.